What's up guys, Chris S1K over here on another video after Vegas. I'm back from Vegas. It was nice, most needed vacation, but we're back baby, we're back. It is Saturday night. We're gonna meet with some friends real quick, see what we can do, enjoy the night, maybe go downtown, see what's up. I don't know, no plan at all, no plan. So stick with me, see what kind of shenanigans we can get on tonight, right guys? What's up guys? We're back. I got my boy Eli, the R1. I've got a ZX10. Oh yeah, we started with the shenanigans. We already started with the shenanigans. But yeah, we got another ZX10 with us. We're gonna hit the highway, go to downtown, see what's up. Hopefully a couple of races, but we'll see. Yeah, enjoy guys. I've been wanting to ride this past week. I just back from Vegas and just straight to work. You know how it is guys. Yeah, I gotta send the swing arm on my bike. It's in the garage right now, just waiting to buy the other parts so we can put it on. I know a couple of you guys don't like that. I seen it in the comments, don't like the standard swing arms on bikes, but don't worry guys, I got a track bike just for the track. It's 8:35 p.m. still very early. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully not a lot of cars in the highway either, so we can have some fun. This bike like always, but I'm proud of it. I'm proud of my baby. You know how it is. Ooh, dirt. Ow. These fucking roads in Colorado, man. Fork seals don't last too long over here. There's a couple of cars. It's always busy in Colorado, like I always said. Need to buy new lights, guys. This light doesn't do shit. Nice little pool guys, nice little pool. It's one of the most filthiest areas of Colorado Springs. I hate it. This is just before downtown Colorado. Get you.
hit it?
Oh, no, no. Too many cars. What's going on with the guy in the fucking truck? The guy in the truck? Fucking loser. That he's in race mode and you fucking cut the wheelie out. ZX10R. Like I say, I love everybody. One of my best friends is from Virginia and he got a ZX10R. Completely murdered out. Hopefully I can ride with him soon. My boy Vincent. You wanna do a hit over here? Huh? All three, we got 3 lanes.
You wanna get gaps?
I don't give a fuck. Hey, I got excuses, alright?
I'll catch up.
No, you fucking do the hit.
Huh?
Do the hit for us. I thought you were ready, that's why I went.
What?
Because he's doing the hit.
No, I'm just checking. And I was like, well, we got stuff to do this right now? No, you do the best time to do that guy walked out in front of y'all?
What?
There's a guy that walked out in front of you.
In front of us? a good race. Not bad. Pitch is doing good. I honestly cannot see the fucking road. I needed this, guys. I needed this.
Your mid-range is fucking... You got some mid-range on this shit.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, yeah, I'm a low end shit, my mid-range is like mid. And that's like me in the 40, I was like, I'm like decent at 40, but I was like, shit. Like...
Dude, my fucking GPS got fucking...
It froze, so I was like,